Hello everyone and welcome back to another exploring video. That's right, you guys are getting so many exploring videos, you guys are probably getting tired of it. Okay, you're probably not getting tired of it, but you get the point. We're going through a bunch of Windows 8 builds because that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get through as many Windows 8 builds as possible. And I'm also doing the Windows 8 upgrade saga, which I'm gonna probably continue working on that while this build is installing. Anyways, today we are going to be checking out Windows 8 build 7878, and you're probably wondering, Rootwick, haven't you already explored Windows 8 build 7878 back in July, specifically, oh my gosh. So I checked this build out on September 1st, 2024, exactly, so let me just show you guys. This is the video I did on Windows 8 build 7878, which was released on September 1st, 2024. So yeah, and we are going to be re-exploring Windows 8 build 7878, mainly because I couldn't really get everything working in this build. So some general information about this build is that this is the WinMain version, this isn't the FBL one, because I'm pretty sure I don't know if there's an FBL, it's probably not, but I don't know. Anyway, this is the WinMain, it was compiled on November 4th, 2010, so that's nice. Oh, and by the way, did you know that the 1752 in the build string actually just means it was compiled at 5:52 p.m. That's really strange because it's like 17:52, which makes sense because 17 is, well, it's saying hour 17. Anyways, this is a Milestone 2 build, and there's only a 64-bit release. And the time bomb is July 1st, 2011, so Canada Day 2011. And yeah, we are going to create our virtual machine. Let's just go with a typical virtual machine because that's fine with us. We are going to call this Windows 8 build 7878. Oh my gosh, not Windows 8 buy, even though it is Black Friday. As much as Windows 8 is trying to get me to buy stuff on Black Friday, it's not happening, guys. Okay, we're going to split it as a single file, and we're going to customize. We're going to give it 2 CPU cores. We're going to put in our nice ISO. Did you guys know that I actually downloaded the wrong ISO? I accidentally downloaded 7822 again before realizing what I did, and I canceled that, and I downloaded 7878. So yeah, we're gonna put in 7878. We're going to switch this to USB 2.0 just in case, we have to, and there's a bug, which there probably is. Anyways, we are going to get started. So let's full screen this, and we're going to free stretch after we boot up into the BIOS. So this build was compiled on November 4th, 2010, so we can just set this to 2010 because it should be fine. So we can just set that to 2010, let's just save any changes, and we should be able to get through this. And there we go, Windows is loading files, and yeah, that should be perfect. So now we should be booting into the setup sometime. Hopefully we boot into the setup soon. There's the boot screen, the Windows 7 boot screen. Yes. You're probably wondering why I already said this, but the reason I'm remaking this video is, 1, because I didn't explore all the features, and 2, because, well, the quality back then was like terrible. I was using a god-awful microphone, and I kind of wanted to just improve the experience and quality. And for some reason, when you move this window around, it creates this black thing for a second. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's strange. Oh, look, there we go. You can see it, and you have to move it to the spot to get rid of it. So that's weird, and it keeps happening. Oh my gosh. So anyways, we're gonna click next. We're gonna click install now, and it's still there. Setup is, we still have the setup is bug because, setup is. And yeah, it's probably gonna ask us for a product key. Yeah. So I'll be right back after entering the product key. Yeah. Alright, we're back. I don't know why I keep pausing the video. I always pause the videos when I enter the product keys, even though you can literally just find them on Beta Wiki. Anyways, we can go there, and now we're installing. So I'll be back. Yeah, and I'll probably go and work on the MacBook Windows 8 thing. And maybe I'll put some. Okay, see ya. This took less time than I thought it would. Anyways, Microsoft Confidential. Let's type in a computer name. Let's do a Gringus Studios over this. Anyways, we're not gonna play games on here, but whatever. We're on a home network. This is the boring OOBE, by the way. Nobody likes the boring OOBE. It sucks. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna basically do a bunch of chaos and stuff, you know, cause why not? And hopefully a lot of background music. So we're gonna put how much denotated wham did I put in this? Let's see how much denotated wham I put in this, because I actually forgot how much wham I used. Oh boy, I mean it's not like it really matters, but I just want to see. Okay, we are welcomed, and there's no Windows 7 thing on the bottom, so they changed that, and that's cool. Okay, well actually it's not, so I wish it was still there. But it's a change. And you know, when we see a change on the builds, we say it. Okay, preparing your desktop. Okay, this thing is lagging, kind of. I don't know. I will be right back after this is done, and my computer is lagging for some reason. Oh my god, it is so laggy. Why is it this laggy? Okay. Let's go to screen resolution and maybe increase that screen resolution, huh? It's at 800 by 600. Let's make it 1920 by 1080. Looks fine. Looks pretty good actually. There we go. We're not gonna get error on here. How much RAM do we have? How much RAM? Oh my gosh, it opens full screen. Holy. So we have 2 gigabytes of denotated RAM. That's not good. We have 2 gigabytes of RAM. We have a 64-bit operating system though. Okay, so let's take a look at the new features, which I mean will probably be easy, right? Right? I mean, actually, it wouldn't be that bad because, you know, we have Rufus. Alright, time to go through Rufus. I mean, not Rufus. What am I saying? Let's go through Red Pill. Oh my god, Red Lock, because, yeah, so let's get Red Lock. Red Pill is what locks it down. Red. Okay, our file explorer opened. We're going to toss Red Lock onto the desktop and close out of this. Amazing! Then we can do this. Let's run it and let's press 1 to get Red Pill installed. Wonderful Red Pill. And now I'll be back once Red Pill is installed. So, editor, make a really cool transition. Again, I thought this was gonna take longer. So as you can see, we have major changes here, including all of them are colored now. We saw in 7822 that they were orange, but now they have their own colors. This is cool. Let's play some Minesweep. Hardware acceleration is disabled. Okay. Here's some Minesweeper, everybody. It runs great. Oh no, we lost the game. No. Anyways. Oh right. Oh my god. Okay. What other features do we got? We got the new File Explorer. Well, yeah. we already saw this. Anyways, we now have file history. So let's say that we make a brand new rich text document and call it cool. And if we like, I don't know, we go into properties and we go into the previous version. Holy! Hello world. Okay, what if we save this? Does this work? Can we like, is there any, well, as you can see now it's 7 bytes. So what if I just add a bunch of stuff here? There we go. Now if we save this, what's the size? Apparently it's 4 kilobytes. So what if we add like more stuff, you know? Now it should be bigger, right? I mean, 4.96. Okay, I think we have to reopen this. There we go. There we go. It's working. Previous versions. There are no previous versions available. I don't know how that really works, so we are not going to get into it. Next up, we have... yes, we have the Metro. Yeah, we have... oh yeah, do we have the same glitch? Yes, we do! We have the same glitch that's just like really weird. Oh yeah, this is great. Okay. Let's go through the OOBE. So, would we just run... Wait, no, where would the OOBE be? Where would it be? Let's see. Well, so we have to create a new. I mean, let's just see a brand. Oh my god. How do we get control panel open? Oh no. But we can run properties. Wait, we can resize stuff? We can resize stuff? It says resize. Guys, let's uninstall the computer. That's strange. Let's uninstall Internet Explorer. Okay, that just gives us an error. Don't worry, guys. We can uninstall Chess Titans, everyone's favorite chess game. Oh no. I'm pretty sure we are going to lose Chess Titans. Okay, how do we... Oh my gosh, how do we play this game? Oh, it's lagging. It is lagging. Okay. Let's just find control panel. Oh yeah, we can search. We can search for control panel. I'm pretty hopeful that control... Oh wow, we can search for the control panel. User accounts. We're going to add a new user account. Create a new user account. Bob. We'll make it an administrator. Create an account. And what if we log off? Oh, that's interesting. Let's log off. That's strange. Oh, look, we have a new logon screen with this new thing. That looks sick. Okay. And this is the background, which is just the let's not leak our hard work thing. So that's interesting. Preparing your desktop. Okay, so apparently it did not go through the OOBE, and the wallpaper is gone for a second. Okay, that does not work clearly. Let's switch user. Rootwick. Here's our user account. Okay. Okay, the wallpaper has disappeared for a second. Okay, let's find oob.exe. So let's go to C. Window. Oh, the folder icon's changed. That's strange. Windows. System 32. OOBE. Where is it? It's in System 32. Oh, here it is. OOBE. Here it is. Here it is. Is it setup? Windows could not find the language to use for setup. MSOOBE. Oh, here it is. Here's the brand new out-of-box experience. As you can see, we've got this goofy
Always
outfit.
in this section.
What? What did you say?
Always in this section.
Always in this section. What? What? Start the narrator. Guys, let's start the narrator. Use the computer without a display file. Oh my gosh, it's frozen!
Magnifier.
No, don't set the magnifier, please. Okay, type a computer name. What? Hair. It says
Desktop
hair.
pane. Focus on type of computer name text. Have
Can we like?
of access image hyperlink. Set
we-
up high contrast narrator windows.
Can we
Focus
like
on
turn
section
off the
key.
narrator?
Ease of access center windows. Focus narrator. Lock the narrator keys. Ease of access center windows. Focus on start on screen keyboard button. Set up high contrast button. Start next. Press any key on the keyboard. Ease of access center windows. Exit narrator with
Yeah, can we like close the narrator? Yeah, cool. Okay. Gamer. Where's the next button? No, seriously, where's the next button? No! We can't get past. Oh, we press enter. Okay, select your computer's current location. We want a home network. 7Z. Press enter. We want to not get our updates. Yeah. And that's the OBE, everybody. That's the out-of-box experience. Yeah. And now we are finally done with the build. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So we are going to add a thunder chef. Very amazing. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.